Let's discuss the link data from test 6 from theory of machines. The link data 52 and 53. Okay, so basically a 4-bar mechanism is given. A 4-bar mechanism is given. It is linked at A and D, and you have such that AB and CD are horizontal, and length AB is given. AB as 20 centimeter, CD as 30 centimeter, and there is a point T on CD where such that DE is 1 by 4 CD. Okay, and omega of link AB is, so what is asked is the angular velocity in the 52-bit, the angular velocity of BC, comma, the angular velocity of CD is asked. Okay, so now when consider link AB moves with fixed axis rotation about A, so the point B will have the velocity something like this. Now point, similarly consider the link CD, D is fixed. So when this moves with some omega CD, point C is, the velocity of point CD is BC, like this. So if you consider link AB, or sorry, link BC, the velocity is like this and the velocity is like this. So now a small concept about instantaneous center. If you have a plane body and you know the velocities of 2 points, and once you draw the perpendicular of these two velocities, the perpendicular of these two velocities vectors, they meet somewhere, and that point is basically the instantaneous center where the entire body appears to be rotating about at that instant. So now if you draw the velocity, the perpendiculars of these, they basically meet at infinity. Means that instantaneous center is at infinity. Okay, so this happens only when the body is in pure translation. Like if you imagine a block moving, so if you take a 2 points block moving on a horizontal flat surface, take 2 points, their velocities, their vectors, the normals to their vectors meet at infinity. So that means it happens only when it is in pure translation. So which means that link BC is in translation. So, and the body which is in pure translation, the omega of that body is 0. There is no angular velocity, it's in pure translation. Okay, so this is one answer. Now it's in pure translation, so VB has to be BC, and the velocity of B is basically R omega. So R of AB into omega, R of CD into omega CD. R of AB is nothing but the length AB into omega. R of CD is CD into omega CD. And so omega CD is basically AB by CD into omega. AB is 20 by 30 into omega, which is 0.666 into omega. So this is basically 0.666 into omega is the omega CD. So the answer for 52 would be D. Okay, now 53rd bit. So 53rd bit is basically the velocity of E is asked. So velocity of E would be the R of dE into the omega CD. R of dE is basically dE into omega CD, and dE is nothing but 1.4 into CD, which is 30 centimeters. So let's divide by 100 to make it into meters. Omega CD is again 0.666 into omega. So this value comes out to be, 0.666 I can write again as 2 by 3 for simplification. So this will be 10. So this comes out to be 5 by 100 into omega, which is nothing but 5 omega, and 100 I can put it as a centimeter per second. So the answer would be B for 53. Thank you.